Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Tech with SM. This is day 9 of our MS What series. Today you will learn how to use header and footer step by step. So let's start. To add a header, just double click the area of your top page or go to insert a header and then choose a style. This adds content at the top of every page. Now you can type your custom text like your name, subject or document title. You can format it using font tools just like regular text. To add a footer, just double click the bottom area of your page, or you can just simply go to insert tab and then footer and select a style. This add contents to the bottom of every page. Now let's learn how to add page number. You can also select the footer with the style which have page number. You can simply insert it by using insert and then page number. You can choose your style whether you want to choose top, bottom, or margin. Word will automatically add numbers to all the pages for you. And to add date and time. So just go to insert and then date and time. Pick a format and then click OK. You can also set it to auto update. So, and that's how you can use header and footer in Word. Custom text, page numbers, and it all in one place. Like, share, and subscribe for more study hacks. Thank you.